Okay. Hello everyone. I hope I am live now. Let me just check. Give me a few minutes. Hello everyone. I hope. Yeah. Okay. So I'm live now, and yeah. Okay. So uh, so this is crude oil. Okay. So today what we are going to do is we are going to analyze a crude oil trading strategy. It is not actually a crude oil trading strategy. It is just a trading strategy that we are going to apply on crude oil and test its efficiency. Okay. So this video is going to be pretty much important because as I've already mentioned that people who are doing a daytime job or involved in any primary profession, they will have the time to trade crude oil because its closing time is at 11:30 p.m. So you have a big window of 14 hours trading hours which you can utilize. Okay, at least in the evening you can spend 2 to 3 hours and you can earn some extra cash. Okay, so let's get started. Just give me a few minutes. Let me just set up certain things. Okay. And you can answer. Yeah. So ready now? Let's go. This is the crude oil charts in weekly time frame, and we are going to do a back testing. Okay. So I will hit the replay button here. Okay. Let's go till let's go till this point. Okay. 2000, let's say 17. Okay, right? So from here we'll start our trading. Okay, and wherever I see any opportunity which I can utilize for trade, that at that point I will make an entry. Okay, so let's start. I will hit the replay button, but for now I can see that here I can draw one upper and lower level. Okay, when this level will be, when this box that I'm drawing, when it will be broken, we can make an entry. If it is broken from in the upside, then we can initiate a long trade, and if it is broken from the downside, then we can initiate a short trade. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now it has been broken. Okay, so let's go to daily time frame. Yes, it has been broken, but you can see that it has been broken by a huge margin. Okay, back to back red candles, we cannot make a short entry right now. We will have to wait for a pullback. Okay, and I will also enable the 30 period moving average. Okay, let's see. Yes, it is going up. It is going up. Okay, so again I can see that there is another trading window here. When this will be broken, we can make the entry. Okay, yes, so it has gone up. So now it has crossed the 30 period moving average in daily time frame. So let me go to weekly time frame and see what is the status. Okay, yes, it is fine. It is just retracing. Yes, it is reacting to that level. Okay, and as soon as we see another opportunity which will tell us that the pullback is over, we'll make an entry. Okay, it is going sideways again. Yes, okay, okay, now I will initiate my short trade. Okay, and this is what I will keep the risk to reward ratio. Let me use the fib retracement tool. Okay, I can see that it has almost reached my target area. Okay, of 1.618, which I have already shown you, showed the demo in Bitcoin trading strategy. But still, let's make an entry. If there will be a loss, it's fine. Okay, but we can maybe hold for a longer period because in weekly time frame also it is going in the downside. Okay, let's see. I'll sell one. Okay, sold. Let's see. Okay, it is going up again. Okay, so it has hit. You can see that it has hit the 1.618 level. Okay, right here. Let me just highlight and show. I initiated the trade at this level, which I would say is not a preferable entry. Okay, your ideal trade should be initiated at this level. I took a late entry. Okay, at zero point 0.5 level, whenever you see the opportunity, and then either zero point 0.5 or 0.618 maximum. Okay, let me just clear this and show you where the exact ideal entries were. Okay, uh, yes, this blue line. Okay, this blue line I'm talking about, zero point 0.5 you can see mentioned here, that one or this one, 0.618. Okay, this should have been the ideal entry. I took a very late entry. It is not recommended, but still, as the trend was heavily bearish, so we could, I mean, I decided to go with it to take an extra risk. This is very risky. Okay, you should not do this ideally, but it's okay. So now my target was this one, 1.618, which it has already touched. Okay, and I have, if you noticed, I have initiated just one position. You can see this one, -1. If I would have taken two positions, then I would have exited one at 1.618. Okay, sold one. I mean bought one because I'm doing a short trade. Okay, and second one I would have exited at two, like this one here, and this one. But as I already, I mean, I have only one, so I will exit right now only. Okay, so I will close this one. I'll click the close here. Okay, so position is closed and you can see this 11,800 rupees. Okay, this is done. Now let's go to weekly time frame to see a big picture again. Okay, I will make it auto. Yes, I can delete this one now and see where it is going. I will then wait for my second trade. Okay, and I can see that it is approaching this level. Okay, and this here is a significant level of support and resistance. Let me just mark this. Okay, gray. Okay, because you can see that the price had reacted to this level here, okay, again here, and slowly it is approaching here. So there are chances that the downtrend might slow down when it comes closer to this level, 2637. Okay, this is the level, you can see 2637. That's why I did the right thing by exiting at 1.618 fib ratio. Okay, because I only had one quantity, so obviously I had to exit. Okay, and as I mentioned, if I would have taken two positions, I would have exited the second one at two. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, okay. Now we are getting to see another reaction. Okay, this is inverted hammer here. So what does this mean to us in daily time frame? Let's go and see. Okay, so we are getting to see a reaction at this level. Let me disable the 30 period moving average. Okay, I will add draw another line. Okay, you can see that the price is reacting to this level. Okay, and this is a big reaction. Okay, this is a big reaction. Let's see how much it is. -4% in a day. Okay, so that's a big reaction. Let's see what is the next candle. Okay, okay, so here we have another trading window. Okay, here there is another trading window, because I will explain you why I have drawn this one, this trading window, because we are seeing that the price is reacting on the upper side at this level, this blue line. Okay, and on the lower level it is reacting at this point. You can see this back to back wicks. Okay, which is telling us that the price is reacting to that level. Okay, and now if it will be broken in either side, either upside or downside, okay, either upside like this or downside like this, it will normally be a trade opportunity. But here we have to be little bit extra careful. Why? Because of this, because of this line. Okay, the price is very close to this one, and I believe that as soon as it reaches here, there is a high probability that again it will bounce back very fast. Okay, so let's be cautious and let's see what happens. I'll go to daily time frame again and hit the play. Okay, yes, you can see now. I paused. You can see here again the price is reacting to that level, so that confirms that our upper level, our resistance level is very accurate. Okay, first of all, we saw this big red candle which told us that it's a big reaction to that level. Second is this one. Okay, second reaction. Now let's see what it does. I'll hit the play. Okay, okay, it has broken in the upwards direction. Okay, now I think it will have the support of 30 period moving average. Yes, but the price has gone up little bit high. Okay, and our ideal entry again will be when it comes to this level. Okay, when it gives a pullback. Let's wait. Visible. Let's play. Okay, yes, yes, now we are getting to see again. Although it has touched here, that does not mean that we'll directly make an entry here. Okay, because if we go to weekly time frame, okay, we are getting to see this. Okay, so unless, and also now as in weekly time frame, I can see another opportunity to draw a trend line. Very beautiful trend line. Okay, intersecting 3 points, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we will get a sure shot confirmation that the price is going to go up only when it breaks this trend line. Okay, with a strong momentum. Okay, so let's see. Go to daily time frame and hit the play button. Let's see. No, see, it is not able to, it is not able to break. And also you can see this candle. Notice this candle. This candle is reacting to this trend line that I have drawn. Okay, it is reacting to this trend line. Okay, close, and again I will hit the play button. Okay, and now again we are seeing something interesting. The price broke this trend line in the downside, but again we are getting to see a big green candle, which is telling us that the buyers are trying to initiate an uptrend. Okay, and let's see how successful they are, and we'll obviously wait for the confirmation. Okay, going sideways, going sideways, going sideways. Yes. Okay. That is again a break. Okay. You will say that yes, it has broken the trend line. But why did we not initiate a trade? Because the breaking was not very strong. I mean, the break was not very strong. You see here, we have a weak in the upper side, which tells us that it is not a strong breakout. Okay. If there would have been no wicks at all, and the breakout would have been through a big green candle, like let's say this one, like a candle like this or a candle like this, followed by another green candle. Even if it's not big, I mean the second one does not have to be a big one, it just have to be green candle. Okay, or a doji is also fine, but not a big red candle like this. Okay, then we would have got the confirmation that the uptrend has actually started. But here again we are getting it to see a red color candle, a pullback. Okay, okay, now we are getting to see something big. Okay, and I believe in weekly time frame it will give a clear picture. Okay, no, let's wait a little bit. Let's wait. Let's see if 30 period moving average is in support. Okay, this looks like a very strong breakout. You can see here, let me just explain why I think like this. Okay, we can see that the price was dropping here. Again we saw back to back three green candles. Again it was dropping, and we are getting to see green candles. Although it is downtrend, but still we are getting to see green candles. And here it was a sharp decline, but we are getting, you can see how many big green candles it is giving us. Okay, one, this one here, another one. These candles are actually very big. If the candles would have been like this, you can see small green candles, kind of doji. Okay, then we could have called that the initiation of uptrend is actually weak. But here we are getting to see very strong green candles. Okay, and there has already been a breakout here. Okay, and now let's go to daily time frame to get a confirmation. Okay, so let's use the 150 period moving average as well. Okay, you can see that it is also going sideways. Slowly it is going sideways. It was going down at this level, but again now it is slowly going sideways, and soon it might start turning like this. Okay, it might. Okay, so here what I will do is I will initiate one position. Okay, because all the necessary requirements are already fulfilled, and obviously I will use the fib retracement tool. Let's initiate. Okay, so this is going to be a very strong uptrend. Okay, let me just take you to the weekly time frame so that you can get to know the reason why I'm saying this. See, I've used the fib retracement tool. This was my low. Okay, this was my high, and you can see a big candle reaction at zero point 0.5 level. Okay, big candle reaction at zero point 0.5 level. The price was 2981. Okay, and another strong reaction at 0.618 level. Okay. So if you are actually initiating a trade, then you can keep your stop loss just below this level, just below 0.382 level. Okay, just below. Don't keep it at the exact 0.382 level, because it might just touch and again go up. Okay, never do that. Just keep it slightly lower than 0.318 level. Okay, so yeah, coming to this position right now, I will initiate a trade, and not only one, I will initiate two quantities. Okay, I will increase the quantity here, make it 2. Okay, and I will initiate the buy. But let me before that just tell you where I'm planning to take the profit. Okay, let it be 2. Later on I might add one more. Okay, so as I've initiated the trade, my first target will be this one, 1.618, this level, and this is 3541. The price second will be this one, 3733, and you can see both of the lines are aligning with resistance level. See, I will draw one line here at 2 and draw another line here. Okay, so you can see, right? Let's now remove this fib retracement tool and continue. Okay, great. Okay, let me pause. Let me enable the 30 period moving average. Okay, so you can see 30 period moving average has started turning in the upward direction. Now what I will do is, you can see the price was going up, then it gave a big red candle here, and now it is giving a small green candle here, and you can see that it is trying to make this resistance. This was a resistance here, this resistance as support. Okay, in order to get a clear picture, we'll again go to the daily time frame. Okay, let's see what is the reaction. If you are getting to see a break from this level, I will add one more quantity. Okay, okay, yes, it is actually reacting to that level, and I will add one more. I will add one more. Right, now go to the weekly time frame and hit the play. Okay, yes, it has, see, it has touched my first level of my first target level. Okay, which was this line that I have marked. Okay, and now it's time for me to stick to my trading strategy. Okay, I will exit one position at least. Okay, so here I will excel one. Okay, one is sold. Now I am left with two. You can see here that it has sold one position. Okay, at this level. Now another position I will sell at this level. Okay, that will be 3732. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so it has touched again my second target as well. Okay, so I'll initiate another sell. I will initiate one more selling of the, one quantity selling. The third quantity I will keep to see where it goes, and I will track the 30 period moving average. Okay, 30 period moving average I will track, and whenever the 30 period moving average will try to flatten out, okay, then I can exit all of its position. But if you do not want to take too much of risk, okay, and want to do a risk free trade, okay, then you can actually close your all their positions as soon as your target is hit. Okay, you don't have to take unnecessary risk. And let me just but for demo I'm just going to keep one more quantity, okay, so that I can give a demo. Okay, so as it has hit the second one, I will sell one more. Yes, one more is sold. Now I'm left with just one quantity. Let's see how it goes. Okay, see, I had drawn this level of resistance here, and you can see back to back reactions to that level. Okay, so this clearly tells us that our level of resistance that we marked is actually correct. Okay, it is reacting at this level, and very soon it might go sideways. So what I will do is, in order to keep things simple, I will not continue the trade, because I'm pretty much sure that it has hit its resistance level, significant resistance level. So I will do one thing. As soon as I get one more red candle breaching this 30 period moving average in daily time frame, I will exit my third one also. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, okay. So yes, it's done. So I will exit here. You can see it has gone up, but now it has started turning down. So I will exit. Another one also gone. Okay. So I hope my profit is visible at the bottom, or maybe it is hidden. Okay, maybe it is hidden, but it is 1,33,100 rupees. Okay, let me just try to minimize my face so that you can get a better picture. Maybe. Okay, yeah, yes. Okay, I hope it is visible now. You can let me know in the chat section. Okay. Uh, right. So I am here with a profit of 1,33,000. Now, again, let me just initiate my next strategy. That will be around this level. You see here, we are getting to see tough resistance at this level. Now we have to wait and see how the price is reacting. Okay, and one important thing is that the 30 period weekly moving average, as you can see here, is far below the candlestick. Okay, so that's why I will have to wait for the price to touch or come near this level. Then I can initiate my second phase of trade. Okay, okay, and I hope the profit is visible now. You can see this one lakh 33,000. Okay, at the bottom, that is the total profit of all the trades that I took today. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, so here I am getting to see the it is very important to note here that we are getting to see a resistance obviously from the upside, and now we are getting to see back to back weeks here. That means we are getting support from the downside as well. Okay, so again I will draw my area. Okay, this box. Okay, whenever this box will be broken with a good momentum, okay, then I will initiate the next trade. Okay, let's see. Okay, yes, it has been broken. It has been broken very nicely. So what I will do is I will initiate one buy position. Okay, the 30 period moving average, yes, it is going up. So let me initiate one more buy. Let's see where it goes now. Okay, yes, and along with that I will also obviously mark my take profit level. If this is the high, this is the low. Okay, then okay, it has already touched my point, 2. Okay, so let me just exit, because I will have to stick to the rules. I would have ideally exited at here 1.618 at one quantity. Second quantity I would have exited at the current level, which it is at right now. Okay, 24071. But as I have already taken just one quantity, so I will exit it here only. Let me just delete this one with level, and I will close. So the position is closed. Okay, and you can see that the my total profit here has increased, okay, from 1,33,000 to 1,58,000. Okay, now let's see how it is going. Okay, now we are getting to see. Okay, we are getting to see weeks, 2 weeks back to back weeks in weekly time frame here. Okay, maybe this could be another level, potential level of resistance. Let's see if it has any all-time high here or what. No. Okay, but what I will do is I will mark one more line here. Let's see in daily. Now we have to go to daily time frame to see, because we're getting to see some reactions here. If there is a break, strong break, then we'll take positions. No, see here there is a break of the, I mean there's a breakout, but you can see big wicks in the upside. So ideally it is not recommended to initiate trades at this condition. You should not initiate trades, okay, because it is not a strong breakout. We will have to wait for the strong breakout to take trades. So I close that one and again hit the play button. Okay, see, as we already discussed, we are getting wicks here. Again the second time we are getting to see the wicks, and you can see this big red candle. Okay, this is what I anticipated, and that is what happened. Okay, it gave a pullback on the downside. Now we are clear that we have to wait for this trend line to be broken to take initiate a trade in the upside. Okay, and here you can initiate intraday trades by drawing lines here going to 4 hour time frames, 2 hour, 2 hours, 15 minutes time frame, anything. But I'm not going to do that, else it will be very lengthy. Okay, I'm just sticking to weekly and daily time frame. So to keep it simple, you can employ the same, you can implement the same in the intraday time frames. Okay, like 4 hour, 2 hours, 1 hour, anything you want. Just the strategy is important. Okay, using the fib retracement and waiting for breakout in weekly and daily time frame. That is what I wanted to give a demo about. Okay, let me clear this one and again continue. Okay. See, now it is acting as support. This level that was acting as resistance earlier is acting as support. So here you can initiate trades. Okay, you can initiate trades, small trades, and keep this as target. Okay, but only if you get a strong breakout in intraday time frames, 4 hours. But obviously we are not going into that, so I will just leave it like that, and I will wait for the breakout of the blue line 4128. Okay, yes, yes. So finally there is a breakout, and you can see a very nice breakout. This is an obvious trend line. This is a big gap up. You can see a gap up here. So gap up means a strong breakout. Okay, and I will initiate. I will take two quantities right now at this place. I'll add two quantities. Done. Okay, let's play. Yes, and I will also mark my take profit level. Okay, so this was the high, this was the low, and yes, it is approaching. It is already approaching my take profit level. One is already there, and second already here, 4061. Okay, and if you are taking the high level at this one, okay, that is also fine, not a problem. You can see that the retracement has been till this level. Okay, and also if you want a safer exit, okay, if you want to be on the safe side, you can also take one, I mean sell one quantity at 1.414 also. So 1.414, 1.618, 2, these are the target levels. You can take anything. If you want to be very safe, then go for 1.414. If you want to be just normal, a normal take profit, then it is 1.618, which will be this one. So let me go on the safer side, because I have already shown you take profit level of 2. Now I will, as it has touched the 1.41 level, I will sell one quantity. Okay, second one I will sell at 1.618. Okay, that is the strategy that I will use. Okay, and obviously as I have mentioned that we are getting to see this reaction at 0.5 level, that's why we are getting to see a strong build up. Okay, earlier if I consider this level, you can see it is going to 0.382. Okay, which is not strong. And in case you are initiating a trade at this level, okay, then your stop loss will be below this point, below this 0.318 level. Okay, so if you want to measure the risk to reward ratio, let me just do that as well. This is the hope my audio is clear. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I think the mic has some issues. Hello? I hope my audio is clear. Okay, yeah, it's better now. Just give me a second. Give me a second, let me just turn off the fan. Okay, we are good to go now. Yeah, so we could have initiated short trade here. Okay, now let's wait and see what happens next. Yeah, we are getting to see a big pullback. Okay, let's go to weekly time frame. Okay, so if the price breaks below this level here again with a big red candle, we can initiate a trade in the lower side as well. I mean a short trade. Let's see where it goes. I will pull this one like this. Okay, so it is giving a break, but let's go to daily time frame and get the confirmation. Okay, 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 it is going up. Okay, but it's a kind of risky trade because the entry will be very high. Okay, but still let's initiate a trade. Okay, I'll just enter with one quantity. Let's see. Okay, it might hit its previous level of high, the blue line. Okay, that level might be hit. Now we are getting to see some weakness, so it's better to we are getting to see some weakness, so we'll track it using this 30 period moving average. As soon as this line I mean the price breaches this 30 period moving average, 30 period daily, I mean in daily time frame, we'll exit. Okay, this is the strategy. Okay, done. So it has breached, so we'll exit from here. Okay, yes, so now we have initiated a profitable trade, and you can see the whole negative thing has now become positive. Okay, 2400. Okay, now we'll wait and see what happens next. We are getting to see that the weekly time frame is providing support here. Okay, let's see how strong the support is. Okay, we are getting to see back to back small candles near the 30 period weekly time frame. Okay, so in this case what we'll do is we'll have to go to the daily time frame to observe the price action, else you will miss a good opportunity, trade opportunity. Okay, I'll again open this one, again draw my trading window, or you can see the box. I will initiate a trade only if it breaks above this box or below this box. Okay, with a clear pattern. Okay, it has broken. Let's go to weekly time frame to see how the scenario is. Yes, it has broken. Okay, now what we'll do is use our fib retracement tool. You can see that the price was hitting this level 0.5 level, and then it went up. Okay, then it went up. So now we'll keep our target little bit on the safer side. We'll take the 1.418 level and we'll exit if it touches 0.382 level. Okay, let's just start. Okay, it has, oh sorry, I did not initiate the trade. Oh, I missed the trade, sorry, I did not initiate the trade. Okay, no problem, and it was a good trade actually. I missed, I forgot to click the buy button. Okay, no problem. Let's go to weekly time frame again. Okay, and we are getting to see some weakness here. Okay, we are getting to see some weakness. Let's see. We'll also use the 30 period moving average to check the price reaction, and you can see the 30 period moving average has already been breached in weekly time frame. So this is actually a strong downside. This could be a strong downside move for the price because it has already breached this level. Okay, okay, at this level. And now let's go to weekly time frame, sorry, daily time frame, to see the action. Okay, yeah, it is giving a reaction here. So we can be ready for initiating a short trade. Okay, we should be ready to initiate a short trade if it breaches this one. Okay, see, it is staying inside there. Okay, it has breached, no doubt it has breached. Yeah, we can initiate a trade now, but it's too late. Okay, it has breached, it was staying above 0.618 level. Let's see where it goes. Yes, it is going up. Okay, so the point of making this video is to make you aware of where you can initiate your trade by using fib retracement tool. I am paying attention to this level, I mean this tool. Okay, I want to show you how useful this tool can be. Okay, you can see how nicely it stayed above 0.618 level, and then how nicely it went up. So you can easily take profit here at 1.414 level, 1.618 level, level 2, anything of your choice, and you can divide your trades accordingly. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, we are getting to see some reactions again. Close this one. Okay, now I'm getting to see another trading window here like this. Okay, let's see where the price is going. Okay, so if I want to initiate a trade on the downside, I want to take a short trade. So what I can do is I can do this. Okay, if the price stays below 0.618 level, okay, in the downside, then gives a big red candle, I can make an entry after the break, and I'll keep target as here. Okay, let's do that. Okay, it's done. See how fast it is. So you have to do it in the intraday time frame. Okay, we quickly saw the reaction at 0.618 level, and now it has hit the level 1.414. So that was a fast move. So you have to go to the daily time frame. Okay, and you can see big, very big red candles. Okay, this is around 10-11%. Okay, big red candles. Okay, okay, let's try to see if we go back at this point. Okay, I will just go back to this level and again replay, so that we can see how much profit it would have we could have made. Okay, okay, can we I don't think we can do that. Okay, so let's go to this place. Yeah, so again I will draw the fib retracement. Okay, and I want to show you the demo. Okay, see here it is giving the reaction. So what I will do is let's say I will sell 2 quantities. Okay, 2 quantities I will sell and keep one target here. Okay, and second one will be here at 1.618 and 2. These will be my levels. Okay, I will initiate the sale. Okay, okay, so that is a big move. Okay, and it is not stopping also. If you are in 4 hours time frame, then definitely you can take the profit as soon as it hits the level. Okay, so I will obviously quit this level, I mean this trade. Okay, and 1,64,200. Okay, and this is a sharp fall. So this is actually a crash, you can say, market crash here for the commodity, for crude oil. Okay, now let's see what the price action tells us. Okay, so we are getting to see something interesting here. The price is again reacting to this level. Okay, price is reacting to this level. I will draw the rectangle here. Let's see what happens next. Okay, and I will be ready to take a trade in the downside as well. Okay, sorry, this was the upside. You can see the price is now reacting to this level, 0.5 level. So I need to get a confirmation that if it will get a pullback from there or not, and if it crosses this 0.618 level with a big red candle, I will make the entry. Okay, see, it did cross but with a weak one. Okay, the weak candle. And now, okay, so now we have to be clear that a downtrend is not coming because it has started going up. So what I will do is reverse my strategy. Okay, I will reverse my strategy. I will be ready for an uptrend. Okay, right, and I can see a clear beginning of uptrend because the price has touched 0.5 level and started going upward. Okay, so let me just be on the safe side and initiate just one quantity buy. Okay, got, and also enable 30 period moving average to track. You can use 30, 50, anything of your choice. Okay, okay, yes, and obviously my target will be this one. Target will be 1.418 or 1.618. Okay, let's say 1.418 to be safe. Okay, staying way above its 30 period moving average, and it has hit. Okay, it has hit the 1.414 target. Okay, now I will close the trade. Okay, so it's done, and you can see that how this strategy works. Okay, you can initiate trades if the price stays above 0.5 level. Okay, if it stays above 0.5 level, you can obviously initiate the trade and keep your stop loss just below 0.382 level. You can do this for long trades and short trades both. Okay, no problem at all. You can do it for both sides. You just have to track which side is getting more momentum, which side is gaining more momentum. Okay, okay, so that's all. So this video is this stream has actually gone for more than 1 hour, I believe, and I hope this strategy was helpful to you. And if you are still a little bit confused how to use this strategy, then let me just in short highlight the important points. Okay, I have done this for the Bitcoin trading backtest strategy as well in that video as well, so I will do it here again. So these are the important points. First of all, point number 1, mark support and resistance levels. Okay, in either weekly or daily time frame. Okay, weekly or daily time frame. Okay, second thing is draw the trading zone. Okay, the sideways zone. You don't want to do initiate trades when the price is the price direction bias is not clear. Okay, you can draw this box by using the support and resistance. Okay, and as soon as the price breaks either in upside or downside, okay, draw the fib retracement. Use the fib retracement tool to draw the mark the levels. Okay, and whenever the price, let's say this one is 0.5 level. Okay, 0.5 level, if the price is, let's say, going from upside and hitting, okay, it went up like this, it came down like this, that's why you have drawn this fib tools. Okay, 0.5 level is the middle one, and this one is obviously 0.618 level, 618 level. Okay, and this is the high, this is the low, and as soon as the price hits this level, and gives a big red candle, you can make an entry just after the break in 0.618 level. Then keep 3 target levels. Okay, so let's say if this is 1, okay, this is 1 point, this is 1.2, 1 2, then you can keep this 1.414 as the target. Okay, this will be your first target. Second target will be 1.618. Okay, okay, third target will be 2.0. Okay, these are the 3 target levels you can keep. Okay, and blindly exit at that point. And if you are taking some extra quantities, let's say you have a little bit of higher quantities in number, then you can keep one and just trail your stop loss in weekly or daily time frame as, and take this as, the 30 period moving average will be your guide. The price has to, let's say this is the one, the 30 period moving has to be your guide. As soon as the price is breaking this level, this 30 period moving average, then you can exit. Okay, that is the whole strategy of this. And using this strategy, I will again make one more live trading video very soon. Okay, in maybe for natural gas, or maybe again for Bitcoin, or for crypto, or anything, Nifty index, or anything. I can make a video. You'll definitely get the notification. Make sure to subscribe to Financial Infos for more such informative videos. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch the other videos in my playlist. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. Bye, take care.